Welcome to family volunteering, a new form of engagement. Have you heard about family volunteering? Stay tuned and we'll tell you more. So what is family volunteering exactly? Family volunteering is a form of volunteering which involves more than one person in a household or extended family volunteering together. For us, there's no strict definition of family. Mother, father and daughter, great. Husband and husband, great. Your bestie who's like family to you, or you and your nephew, also great. We like to keep the concept of family very open. Everyone you consider your family is your family. Why would you volunteer together with your family? Volunteering is always a great idea. And doing something beneficial with your loved ones, doesn't that sound great? The best thing about family volunteering is that you get to spend a meaningful time with your loved ones without spending a whole bunch of money. If that wouldn't be enough, there are also many benefits. You learn about your community, could join the debates about issues that impact society, and be of service by giving something back. Parents or caretakers provide a positive role model for children and youth and thereby educate civic responsibility. You will meet other families and get loads out of new inputs. Of course, you and your folks get to know each other on a different level, gain self-confidence and make great family memories. To live this experience, there are various possibilities. You can choose the activity you like most. Plant trees, cook for the homeless, collect needed objects for the vulnerable, create awareness-raising campaigns, act as a guide for museums, and many, many more. To find out more, why not visit familyvolunteering.eu.